destination at Santa's Village. Santa's Village has been a destination for people of the young of heart since 1959. And TJ and Romeo came out here and developed this big course over here. It actually is the premier destination for paintball in the world right now, in my opinion.
Gold rocks are hidden all over the field. When you find them, bring them back to your start base, and we're giving out cases of paint.
They're so cute at that age.
Over here, we're just going to keep pushing over.